So, we will see the implementation of the sequential and random access of files. Okay. So, the default one which I have to, we have to include the fstream class. So, I will include iostream, include fstream, then using namespace std int main, the default setup. Yes. Now, we will just see the sequential access part, entering the content into the file and printing in sequence. It is very simple. So, first I will take ofstream, one object, let that be obj, or let us take o1, okay, object we are saying, no. So, obj1 of, I will use some name, let us take sequence dot txt, and I have to give the mode. Here you see, I am writing here ios colon out. Okay. Why we have to use out mode here? Because I am trying to create a string. I am trying to I am trying to open a file with write permission, right? So, after this you have to write content into that particular file. So, using obj1, okay, I am writing here hello, only one word I will write it. Okay. So, what it will do? It will write that content directly into the file. It will write that content directly into the file. Okay. Hello. Again, I will repeat the same thing. See, like this. Hello, good, and evening. Right. So, simple. We are trying to create a file sequence.txt and write content into that. What is the content? Hello, good evening in 3 separate lines. Okay. Let us see whether this is working fine. I have to save it. So, some sequence, I saved it. Okay. Anyhow, I did not write any message, so it gave an empty one. Let us go and check whether there exist in the same folder in byte excel C++, whether there exists a sequence text. So, if I go here, this is the folder. I will just make it large views, right, or maybe little small. Yeah. So, what was the file name? Sequence. See, there is a file name here, sequence. If you open this, you got the content hello, good evening in 3 different lines. Okay. So, I am closing this file. So, come back here. Now, we have entered the content into the file. Now, I want to print that content. So, I have to use if stream. I have to create some object obj2 and I have to write it here. Same name I have to give, sequence.txt. And which mode I have to use here? I have to use in mode, because I am trying to write it. That is only confusing part. Out does not means reading, it is writing. In means reading. Okay. Then how do I read it? Since there are multiple lines in that, I have to use while loop. We have to use while loop, right? So, while get line of what is that object obj2 into some maybe str. I have to declare a variable string str here. Okay. While this is empty, cout str end line. So, what this will do? Get line, get first line from this object into, copy that into str, print it. Again repeat while until where? Until this becomes empty. Till that you repeat it. So, it has to print the content. So, here I can write some proper message, content entered successfully. Then here also I can write the content fetched from the file is. Okay. So, this 3 will go inside that file, then the content will be this message will come. After that, when I am printing, it will print the content. Oh, something if stream, okay, spelling stream, right, if stream obj2. Yes, see here, content entered successfully. So, in the file, in my local device, in my hard disk, the content was entered. Then the content fetched from the file is hello, good evening. Okay, this is sequential access, but it has less application. It is same like entering the content and printing it back. Okay, so you can use this for printing something in sequence, right? I hope you understood how we are doing this in sequence of accessing of the file. Now let us see the random access. Let us try to play with the random access. Okay, so the basic things I'll just save it as random. Sorry, some file random. Some basic things I will copy, which is very again easy for us. Right. So this is the default one. Now what I have to do? Random means let us do a small exercise. Okay, first we will try to create a file, write content into that, and then randomly we will see move the location, and using seekg, seekp we will do that. Okay, let me create a file first, of stream, some object obj1, and I will write something random.txt, some name you can give. See, one thing I want to tell you here, when you are in this program, when you are creating an object with of stream, okay, this is the default mode actually. Even if you don't give this, the program will execute, because for of stream object the default mode is out, for if stream object the default mode is in. So whether you give it or not, it will work. Okay, if you want, again you can see this execution of this. See, we are getting the as it is, no doubt in that. Okay, so for of stream class the default mode is out, so whether I write it or not, it does not matters. Okay, you can skip that, it is optional, because you are giving of stream, it is optional, right? Then after this I want to insert some content into that. So let me declare some variables int I comma a. See, I am trying to enter some value, I equal to 0, I less than 5, a small program to enter content. How do I enter content into that? obj2, and I am writing here a. Okay, right. See this program, what I have done here, I have created a file random.txt with out mode, means writing mode. Then I declare two variables. This is simple for loop. It means I want to repeat this 5 times. Before this, what I have to do? I have to take cin, no. Okay, we have to read that input from the user. So cin of a, then do this. What I am trying to do here? I am reading input one. I am reading an integer value 5 times. Why this will repeat 5 times? Every time when I am reading an integer value, I am trying to insert that into the object 2, means object 1, right? Because this is object 1, object 1 dot a. So this will insert numbers, whatever numbers I am giving, that will be inserted into this file random.txt. So we can put some message, numbers instead of getting empty screen, just I am writing this. Let us see whether these 2 lines of code is inserting some numbers randomly into the file. Okay, executed, no output. Oh, I have to enter number, right? Sorry, let me once again write here clearly. Let us, that's what, enter the numbers. Yeah, now it is meaningful. If I execute this now, see, it is asking me enter the numbers, right? So let me give some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, it says number inserted successfully. What is the name of the file? Random.txt. Let's go to our file in the same location where this program is saved. There a text file will be created, random.txt. See, is there any random? Yeah, see here we have random file. So if I click it, see there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that. Okay, in some order the numbers have been saved, right? Now let me use seekg. Which pointer is this? It is the, what we say, no, right pointer. Okay, it is right pointer. Now I will try to write some extra content, replace some content. File contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to replace some content. Okay, I want to replace some content. How do I insert a new element in that? Okay, the obj1 is having write permission. Remember that. Okay, this obj1 is opened using write has write permission, because the OF stream means out, that mode will be iOS out. Out is used for writing, right? So now I will try to move the value, but how do I, where I want to insert? My goal is to insert a new number after 2, after 2. Okay, what is that my list contains? List contains 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I want to add a new number after here. So what I have to do? I have to move my pointer. I have to move my pointer wherever the pointer is. I want to move that to this location. I want to move that to this after 2. So I have to move my pointer to the 2 location, so that I can insert a new number. How do I move my pointer? For that we have to use seekg function. Seekg function. So since I am trying to what we say, move the content, okay, insert a content, I will be using same OF stream again, that object 1 has that privilege, object 1 has that privilege. So obj1 dot seekg of what I have to give here? I have to give number of bytes. How many bytes you want to move? 2 into size of int, because these are integers, right? So 2 into size of int, comma, from where I want to move? From beginning, from the beginning. See, I am giving privilege to this object obj1 to use seekg function. Where should I move? What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is from the beginning, move the pointer, that again to be very specific, right pointer to how many bytes? 2 into size of int. Size of int means 4. 2 into 4 means 8 bytes. Okay, to 8 bytes. After this, what I want to do? Now I want to insert a new element. How do I insert a new element? Simply write object 1 and put here maybe let me read one more variable. Sorry. Let us declare a variable int value equal to some 20. Okay, simply write here value. Right. So what I am trying to do here? Object 1 value, I am inserting this new value into the file. Where I am inserting? After the second location. Okay, let us see whether this seekg is working or not. You already know file contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you already know file contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyhow, we will insert it again. OF stream has no number seekg. OF stream has seekg. seekg is in IF stream. I am trying to insert, right? If stream, let me take this. If stream. Now let us take this to. Okay. Object 2. No match for the operator. No match for operator. What happened here? Object 2 dot seekj. I have to insert value, right? From the beginning, object 2 if stream, object 2, then object 2 dot seekg int value. Is it taking value? No, I do. Okay. You want to insert, that is the only rule here. So it should be OF stream only. Let us see now. Stream has no number seekg. Its object. Why is there any header file missing? We have stream. That's it. No special header file. Object 2 random.text. I am trying to move to that location, seekg, and then I am trying to insert a value. Stream has no member seekg. IF stream is given, OF stream is given. just a second. This function seekg is available in what we say fstream class, and you can give here object 2.seekg and 2 into size of int, that number of bytes you want to move, and from the beginning. Okay, the value is 20, which I am inserting it. It is successfully inserting the values into the file. Okay, so this is again small demonstration of seekg. Let us play much better with strings. Okay, you understand very well when you play this with a string. Okay, because numbers maybe it is behaving differently, but if you take strings, we know every character is 1 byte. Let us first learn how this is working. All these 4 functions are working using some string. Okay, let me take another program. So, random access of files using, right. So, let me save it again, random file strings, some name I am giving here. Okay. So, let us try to write a program. So, again basic things I will copy from here. Right. Now, we will try to create a file already. Let there be a file. So, let me go here and create some file, text file, let it name is as strings. Okay. I named it as strings.txt. In this I am writing professional university is in Punjab. Okay, I am writing this string here, professional university is in Punjab. Some example I wrote here, some string I am feeding it here. Now, let us go back to our here. Okay, so file already exists. Now, what I have to do, I have which stream I have to use it here. Maybe we will use general one, fstream class. Fstream, the object be f dot open. What was the file name? Strings dot txt, and again I'm slowly improving it. I'm using both the modes. I want to use fstream for both the modes. How do you write both the modes here? iOS in or iOS, you have to use, sorry, iOS in mode, use pipe symbol, iOS colon scope resolution operator out mode. So, in a single line you can give like this. In a single line you can give it like this. After this, now this is open. Now, I will, there is some content already. Let me simply print, let me write one C out, the current, okay, I want the current read pointer location. Okay, so which function I have to use? F dot, to get the current read pointer, which function should I use? I should use tell. Okay, should I use G or P? Which function should I use? Current read pointer G. Okay, right. So, then endl. Let us see whether it is printing the current read pointer or not. There is some string already in that file. See, the current read pointer is at location 0. If I give some space here, initially, see, the current read pointer is at location 0. Fine. Now, I want to shift my read pointer certain locations. I want to move my read pointer certain locations. How do I do that? F dot seek, because seek will help me in moving, right? Seek function will help me in moving. Seekg of, let me give number of bytes. So, let us give 8, some number 8, iOS begin. Okay, what I am trying to do here? I am trying to move my current read pointer from 0 to certain 8 locations. Again you can use this. See, this will tell you whether that using seekg is helpful for me to shift my read pointer. What is the syntax of this? Move 8 bytes forward from the beginning. Move 8 bytes forward. So, after moving, what is the current pointer location? Let us see that. Let me again execute this. After moving, what is the answer? See, the current position what was 8, the current read pointer is 8, 0, and after that, after using seekg, it has moved 8 locations. It has moved to 8 locations. How do I know whether it has moved 8 locations or not? Simply print the content. So let me take a function character c equal to f dot get. To get a single character, you can use this, and c out c and l. So maybe I can write it here. The character at current read location is, okay. So what I am trying to do, after moving my read pointer to 8 locations, I am trying to read that value after 8 bytes. What is the value? Let us see. Let us before only let's explore in our what was that strings? Where is it? Yes, here after 8 locations, what is the character here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after 8 there is O. Okay, let us see whether this is giving the expected output or not. Right? So if I execute this, yeah, I missed semicolon here. See, the character at the current read location is O. That's what we have identified. See, O is at the 8th location after 8 bytes. It is moving after 8 bytes. So the pointer will come to this location. Okay, you got it O. Right. Next, let me close this. Now let us insert some character now. Okay, we already read, we have used tellg and seekg. Now let us use tellp and seekp. What I want to do here, there is a string already, I want to replace some character. Okay, I will go back here into the string. Maybe some character, this yes, I want to make it something else. I want to write the content, I want to replace the content here. This yes or some anything, any character you want to change it. So for that, what we have to do, we will use the first I have to use which one, I have to move to a certain location. Where do I want to move again? Now you have to use which function you want to move. I want to write a new variable, means I have to use seekp. I have to use seekp. The seekp will move the pointer, that right pointer. Okay, let us know where is my right pointer. Okay, so simply write cout. How to know where is the right pointer? The current right pointer is at location f comma tellp. So tellp will tell me where is my current right pointer. I will execute this and see. See, current right pointer is at location 9. Why? Because why it is at 9? Okay, it is because of some reason it is there. Okay, now I want to modify that f dot seekp. I will write some 6 comma ios begin. From the beginning, again we are seeing only beginning, we can see end and current also, not a problem, or we can even write current also. I am just showing the usage of seekp. From the beginning, go to wherever is the current pointer, move the pointer 6 bytes from the beginning. So let us, after this, let us execute this and see. Same statement. Oh, sorry. Okay, so what I am doing here, tellp gave me where is my current right pointer. I am changing the right pointer's location. Again I am checking whether it is modifying or not. So let us see. See, the current right pointer was at 9, but now the current right pointer came to 6. Why it has came to 6? Because I changed it to 6. Now let me insert a character. How do you insert a character? Use the same object. Simply write here what is that character you want to insert. Let me take that character in a separate variable, char ch equal to some z. Okay, and you can simply write here ch. That's it. What this will do? This will include a z character in the 6th location. So after 6th location, it will be inserting a character. So let us see whether this is working fine or not. Okay, this is successfully done. Anyhow, we will go to the original file and open strings. See, s has gone and z has come here. Okay, see, z has inserted here, right? This is just a grammar suggestion, but that you can ignore. S has gone. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, it has inserted z. So it is modifying. So this is a demonstration of how you use seekp and seek g, tellp and tellg, right. So you can, wherever you want to move, you can move it. Maybe we will do more operations. Let us explore other options also here. Okay, I want to use from the end. From the end, I want to give. I want to move my read pointer. Let me read what is there at the end. Okay, so I am writing fseek of -5 IOS from the end. When you are giving end, you have to give -5, means from the end -5 locations. So if I go back here in the strings, so from the end -5 locations. So what is this? From the end here. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. The pointer will come to this location. Let us see whether this is moving. So I will write here, this is moving. So I will, that is my which pointer? Read pointer, no. So see out, I will know what is whether it is giving me after from the end -5 locations. If I come, what is my current read pointer? Let me check that. See, my current read pointer is 31. Why it is 31? Because the complete content is more than 31. If you count it, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 is the space, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, space is 24, 25, 26, space is 27, 28, 29, space is 30, 31. So -5 means it came here. After 31 it is pointing, means at 31 the cursor is here like this. You see, you can see one cursor, no, blinking after P. That's what our current cursor is there. That is how it works. Okay, at 31st location it is available. Now I want to print the content at that location. So maybe again take this character C and print that value. Maybe this will throw error. I will take C2 and the character at that current read location is C2. So what is there in my current read location? After the U is there, right? So let us see whether it is giving U or not. Sorry, I'll close this previous executed one. See, it's very clear, the character at the current read location is U. So you can use end also. You can use like this IOS end. You can use IOS current also. Okay, so you can use CUR also. CUR is one option. From current location, you want to insert, you want to delete, wherever you want to move, you can do that. Okay, so this is a demonstration of how we use the random accessing of files using tellg, seekg, tellp and seekp functions. Okay, wherever you want to go, friend, come back, whatever you can do, we can do this using this random access of files.